If your Chevy Traverse has working interior lights but refuses to crank, you are likely dealing with a starter or electrical connection issue. Roughly 80% of no-start conditions with active lights point directly to a weak battery connection or a failed starter relay. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to identify the culprit. Always start by cleaning your battery terminals and checking for a solid ground connection before moving to deeper diagnostics. These three components are the most common points of failure in the Traverse electrical starting system. If the basics check out, consider these secondary components that can prevent the engine from turning over. You can handle the simple electrical checks at home, but major component replacement may require professional tools. Repair costs vary wildly, with simple relays being very affordable compared to full starter motor assemblies. Use a scanner to rule out computer-based security lockouts before you commit to replacing mechanical parts. Make sure you have these three tools ready to perform a thorough diagnostic on your vehicle. Never work on your starter or electrical system without disconnecting the battery first to prevent accidental shorts. If you still cannot get your Traverse to start, it is time to have a professional inspect the wiring harness.